8 Sleep Pod Pro app. The pros, the cons. You won't believe what happens when your mattress becomes your personal sleep scientist. The 8 Sleep Pod Pro app is part of a smart system that tracks, adjusts, and even cools or heats your bed to optimize rest. But does it really deliver better sleep? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Pod Pro app is the brain of the 8 Sleep system. It connects to your smart mattress, gathering data on heart rate, breathing, movement, and temperature throughout the night. Using that data, it automatically adjusts the bed's temperature to keep you in your ideal sleep zone. Most people get this wrong. They think temperature doesn't affect sleep quality. But research shows that even small changes can make or break deep sleep cycles. The app visualizes your sleep trends in clear graphs, showing you how long you spend in lie, deep and REM sleep. It also gives you a daily sleep fitness score, helping you understand what impacts your rest. The smart alarm feature is another standout. Instead of jolting you awake, it uses gradual temperature shifts and gentle vibrations to wake you naturally during light sleep. Now, the cons. To get the full experience, you need the physical 8 Sleep Pod Pro mattress or cover, which is a significant investment. The app's advanced features only shine when paired with that hardware. And while the insights are fascinating, they can feel a bit data heavy for casual users who just want better rest without deep analytics. In conclusion, the 8 Sleep Pod Pro app is perfect for tech enthusiasts and serious sleep optimizers. It turns your bed into a personalized recovery tool, giving you control over comfort and performance. If you want to wake up refreshed and understand your sleep like never before, this app paired with the pod is worth it. But for those who prefer simplicity, its high-tech approach might feel like overkill.